Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. Basically, what we're going to be showing here is a Dow 60-minute chart. What we're going to be showing here is the top of the market where we called the Dow that the party was over. And we did it on 119, on 120. We started with a down move. We went up into the highs, but we started with that big 60-minute bar. The reason why I'm showing you on a 60-minute chart is this way we can show you that we put a knife hook low. This was Friday. And we came off of there big off of the bottom. And this is on the Dow Jones. And basically we've come back down in here, and if the Dow breaks that support, we have a chance of taking out this low at 90. Well, this diagonal trend line goes down to 9,800. The Dow was light volume selling in my view today. It wasn't a heavy volume selling day. Down 103 points. Friday's volatility, this is how that starts. And boy, oh boy, did we ever come up off of the low about 170 points. Now we faded back on much lower volume here on the 60-minute chart. So basically we're at 99.08 and we're down. The Dow is below that psychological level now. And I'm just giving you the rundown here is that we got a 60-minute sell signal. When the 60-minute sell signal started here, that's when I called the high. That was what I used among many other things that we do. So I want people to understand one thing, is learning how that you could make money on this whole down move. You consolidated and you had a relief trend, but because the trend was already in the bear reversal, that meant that this move here was going to fail, and it did, and you made a much lower low. So there was a little bit of buying last week, early in the week, as I said. I also said that all this was a top from where we broke down here to that support level. And we came back up and we tested this last bar across here, right here. Basically, it was confirmed. Look at the 60-minute bar and 2-4. Bam. All the way down. So volatility always starts with these big swings off the bottom like on Friday. And now we're going to test it. And either we're going to set up and we're going to break today's high, and we're going to set up and we're going to move higher. But some things have to happen here. This moving average convergence divergence, that's these blue bars, these cannot fall weak. This is where the knife hook low was, right there, and we come up, but now, today, these bars are getting lower. That means that the Dow is weak. There wasn't the knife hook low as on Friday. That's the story on the Dow. If you want to find out more about it, visit us at StockMarketFunding.com. Come take one of our 30-day seminars on risk management. We do have them. We got a 5-day free trial, naturally. Let you know that we know what we're doing. And we do know what we're doing. We got 30 years of experience behind us. Come and get that behind you and better your life when it comes to the market and learn everything that you need to learn. Call us today at 702-685-0772. This is the broader 60-minute chart. And the weekly chart is a bear reversal. You're 4 weeks below that 200 week. And on the weekly level, the Dow is even getting weaker. Because now that blue line, the 10 week when it was going up, boy, what a nice party on the way up. But what a nice party on the way down. And let me tell you something. If we cross that blue line over the 20 week, and if we don't get back above it, and this doesn't flatten out, the Dow is going much lower. I've got no support down here on this weekly until I get right about 9,000. That's about another 900 points lower. There it is. We are in a weekly bear reversal trend. And if you have an IRA or 401k, you want to get it under the right kind of risk management, we have over 150 proprietary tools that address this kind of risk, where that you can make the money on the downside. And that 10 week is about to cross over here. 4 weeks below it is a bear reversal. We'll teach you things that you can't find in books or that you haven't seen before. Our system works. Thanks for visiting us.